inVideo Video Editor is an online video editor that one can use to edit the videos in the easiest manner. This video is brought to you by Software Horsepower. inVideo, a powerful editor, allows one to have access to edit the videos from their browser, using more than thousands of video editing templates, free images and videos. Let's make a project to see how inVideo helps in creating video. This is how the inVideo dashboard looks like. Here, let's choose a template from the options below based on your preference. One can choose from the pre-made templates, text to video, stock media, and can choose an editor for creating a video. Here, let's choose the editor to create the video from scratch. The next step is to pick up the aspect ratio for the video, such as landscape, square, and portrait according to the platform where the video needs to be published. Here, let's choose the landscape mode. One will be directed to the new dashboard that looks like this. On the extreme left bar, it is all the media features that are required for making a video. Features like template, video, images, music, text, and logo. One can upload and choose their own images, logos, and videos. There are more options which help in creating content for the videos. That are colors, folders, stickers, and many other options to choose from. The next in inVideo is that it is made up of creating scenes. Here, each scene is basically a group of different parts that combine together to make a video. One can add as many scenes as they want depending on the time and content they have, by clicking on the Add Scene button. From the Add Scene button, one can choose from a blank scene or template from the options given on the left bar. Same can be followed for logos and pictures. The extreme right bar shows the settings where the text can be edited. Here, below, one can see all the scenes and voiceover, and can add the music or download the recorded message and save it. The next is the timeline feature, that enables the user to set the duration for each element of the particular scene according to the requirement. Further, from the play button, the video can be played from the beginning, or a particular slide can be selected to play where the user is working. Next, from the right top bar, the video can be exported to inVideo by choosing the pixels or units one wants to export the video in. Contact Software Horsepower to book a free demo. Visit softwarehorsepower.com.